This is the Xiaomi portable electric air compressor version 2. It is battery operated, so you don't need a power source. It has all the adapters you need so that you can pump up the tires of your car, motorcycle, bicycle, scooter, and even basketballs. Turning it on is easy. You just unplug the hose, and to turn the device off, you clip it right in. When you connect to the tire you want to pump up, you simply press the button until you select the appropriate tire for car, scooter, bike, etc. Once your tire of choice is selected, it automatically adjusts to a recommended PSI for that tire. However, you can manually adjust the PSI using the plus and minus buttons on the device to your preference. I have a couple different tires that I need to inflate right now, so I thought I would show you guys a little time-lapse video of each one to show you how long it actually takes. Here's a quick time-lapse of inflating my bike tire. I gotta say, this beats the heck out of a manual pump, and this thing is so small, it's easy to take with you on a ride anywhere you go, and there you have it, all done in under a minute from 4 PSI to fully inflated. I also have a scooter tire that I had to inflate, and that took less than 15 seconds to inflate. I didn't have a flat car tire to inflate with this. It does say on their website that it takes about 8 minutes to fill up a car tire, and just based on how long the bike and the scooter took to inflate, I don't doubt that in 8 minutes it would fully inflate a car tire. Lastly, I have a basketball to inflate as well. We're gonna do a quick time lapse for that too. Here you can see the basketball is flat. Once I plug it in, it takes roughly about 20 seconds to inflate this basketball from flat to 8 PSI, which is the recommended PSI for a basketball. When fully charged, this thing will inflate about 6 tires if there's a bit of air in it, and 2 tires from flat to full. Now, I think when they say that in the specs, they mean car tires, because I inflated a scooter tire, 2 tires, a second bike tire in this video that I didn't show you guys, and also a basketball, and it's still showing me that it's basically fully charged. This thing is pretty loud. It's about 80 decibels. I will play a few seconds for you guys so you can hear just how loud it is, pumping up one of the things that I pumped up today. Additionally, it stops pumping once the desired PSI is met, so you can actually just, if you're pumping up a car tire, you can plug it in and just kind of set it and forget it. On top of that, if it's on idle for a few minutes, once everything is said and done, it will actually turn off by itself. I'll have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase one of these today. I'll also toss a QR code up here for you guys for your convenience. You can pause this video and scan that if you're looking to purchase today. Next up, you should check out one of the 2 videos on your screen. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.